Ladies and gentlemen, here we have none other than Shovik Dada, the Shovik Dada at the foothills of Himalayas in Dharamshala. Dada, first of all, gratitude and a heartfelt note. We want to put it on record that you took your time, precious time out, very busy schedule. You're running incredible businesses, mentorship for a lot of startups. Thank you for taking time out and visiting us, number one. And you've been very generous with giving us a lot of insights with digital, where the businesses are moving, the landscape changes that are happening, and how we can pivot in terms of business model within Pulseplay itself. So Dada, tell us a little bit about your experience and any guidance, any tips that we should record this now for posterity.
Firstly, always a pleasure to come to the foothills of the Himalayas. Now we know that the talent of the Himalayas is no less than the talent from the heartlands or the shores or the cities or the towns. It is evident what you have been able to build Pulseplay as a digital embryo in the foothills, attracting great talent, focused on experience, focused on user experience, focused on aesthetics, focused on marketing, focused on building digital assets, building. It's incredible. I'm blown away. When I came last time, 2019 May, it was an idea and a conversation on the Facebook Live. Today it's a reality, and the organization is 18 months old, it's earning revenue, and working very hard. It's a 30-member team, typically a startup number 25, 35 plus logos to work for. It's great stuff. I am only delighted and proud to be associated as a leader, as a brother, and sky is the limit for you guys.
Thank you, Dada. Dada, we want to put on record for whoever is listening that the idea about starting a digital company and corporation in the foothills of Himalayas came from you. And I remember vividly our conversation. You were here on a family trip in between building one of the biggest brands in India and arguably the world. And, thank you for that mentorship, that nudge, right? And you said, like a big brother, you've always been there whenever we needed that guidance. And so, we just feel lucky and blessed that you're associated with us. People should know that, probably 150 startups are vying for your time, want you to be on their calendar. And for you to choose Dharamshala, Himalayas, and spend your own time, money, effort to build out this ecosystem, we're really grateful for that. And I think the only way we can pay you back is by, making sure that we build valuable companies.
Value to the community, value to the region, and make a world-class organization from the foothills of India. That's the aspiration, which will get realized slowly over a period of time. There is no rush, there is no hurry. Journey of a business is, like our kids are running around, it's like growing them up. It's like seeing them grow. Like you see these kids grow up, the business will also become a youngling, like a teenager, and then of course the massive enterprise. So only best wishes.
Thank you.
Power to you guys.
Thank you. Dada, while we have you on, any tips for the young aspirants who want to get into digital, who are just passing out from their MCAs, their BTechs, their MSCs, and who are looking at technology and thinking, okay, what can we do? What can we build? You obviously, have built an incredible career. The story is still unfolding. What are the tips for young technology aspirants that want to build global careers?
It's the future of humanity is driven by technology. We are not the same Homo sapiens which we used to be. Future of humanity is a human 2.0, 3.0 with technology at the DNA of a kid who's 1 year old. So you cannot avoid it. You cannot bypass it. Various kinds of technology. I suggest the market is coming to you. All you have to do is open your house and be switched on and embrace it. If you don't, it will pass by you and you will be left behind, whereas your peers will move ahead. So that's it.
Perfect. Thank you, Dada. Appreciate it. I'm just going to pan into the team's dinner table. Why don't we join us on the table? All right. Because we want to record this, so just give me a minute. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a great time. I think ईशान नमस्कार. शौविक दादा के साथ हम लोग ने अभी टाइम बिताया. खाना कैसा है? ठीक है, बढ़िया. तन्वी नमस्कार. आराम से आइए. सहदेव नमस्कार. खाना ठीक है? वंडरफुल. आरती ठीक हो? ओके. रेखा खाना ठीक है? थैंक यू. विशाल खाना इज गुड. विशाल एंड रेखा थैंक यू. रंजीत नमस्कार. खाना इज गुड. एवरीथिंग गुड. ओके गुड. अनूप हाउ इज एवरीथिंग? नमस्कार. कैरी ऑन. भूपी नमस्कार. हेलो. बढ़िया. खाइए यार. हाय बेबी. Let me take the video, baby. I'll come. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Wait, let me complete this. I'll come. Okay, Babu. Shona, you like the food? Shruti is here. Shruti, how's the food? Babe, how's the food? Akhil, namaskar. बहुत सारा शूट किया आज. Everything good? Okay. राहुल नमस्कार. क्या हाल चाल है? सब बढ़िया? बढ़िया. फ्रेंड्स बढ़िया है. खाना हो गया? कुछ लिया ही नहीं यार. देखा. कर्ण प्रणाम. सब ठीक? बढ़िया. सचिन प्रणाम. सुशांत भाग्या आते पहले. ऋषि प्रणाम. नमस्कार. सब बढ़िया. खाना खाया कुछ? ठीक है. पंकज और एक प्लेट ले लो. जिस स्पीड से काम कर रहे हो. बढ़िया. वसुधा नमस्कार. खाना इज गुड. गुड. एक्सीलेंट. नीरज थर्सडे नहीं है आज. यू थर्सडे. नॉर्मली थर्सडे को ही पार्टी होती है, तो आज फ्राइडे को हो रही है बिकॉज फ्राइडे को. यहाँ तो दैट इज़ गुड है ना. यहाँ पे हम सब कुछ द टीम इज़ जस्ट एंजॉइंग स्पेंडिंग सम टाइम. सुशांत नमस्कार. हाँ सुशील को मिस कर रहे हैं. हैप्पी बर्थडे सुशील. अपने भाई को हैप्पी बर्थडे तो बोलो. चलो ठीक. बढ़िया. So ladies and gentlemen, the full team is here. No, not the full team because we are missing Sushil. So incredible day. We have Shouvik Dada here with us exclusively only for us. He's come made the trip all the way. Tomorrow is the master class at the government college, government PG college in Dharamshala. We're looking forward for that. So it's going to be incredible. We also have Sujata here. Sujata, how's the food? Everything? Okay, by the way, this is also the first public appearance of Ahan. Shonaya, Badi Didi, present your brother to the world.
मम्मा मैं किधर बैठूं?
Okay. Hi, it's Sammi. How is the food?
And
and
Papa, I
Huh?
want to show you something.
Okay, show me something. And this is Mahir. Mahir is Vishal and Rekha's. Oh wow! Huh. Very nice. Oh wow! Such a speed. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.